I am going to show you how to transfer files between your Android device and a Windows PC. You will need to install Mobile to PC File Transfer on your Android device. On your Windows PC, you will need FTP Manager Pro. Let us start by installing FTP Manager Pro from deskshare.com. Open up deskshare.com in your browser. Scroll down and find FTP Manager Pro. You will see 3 different FTP clients. You can choose any client, including FTP Manager Lite, which is free. For this demo, we will choose FTP Manager Pro. Click on the free trial to download the application. When you open FTP Manager Pro, click on Create New Connection Profile. Select the connection type you want to transfer between. I'm transferring photos from my Android mobile device. Select the PC folder location where you want to save your files. I'll choose the Pictures folder since I'm moving photos. Now, I need to install Mobile to PC File Transfer on my Android device. Scan the QR code on your Android phone to find Mobile to PC File Transfer on the Google Play Store. Install the application. There are 3 different ways to connect to the PC: Wi-Fi, mobile hotspot, or any internet connection. I will choose Wi-Fi since my PC is next to me. Both are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Copy ID and password. Then click Test Connection. Connection is successful. Let's save this connection profile. Click the Next button. We are going to keep the default name. Click Finish to save this connection profile. Now, let's transfer files. See, your files are being copied between your Android device and PC. FTP Manager Pro allows you to move, copy, and delete files and folders on your Android device. Move your files instantly with Mobile to PC File Transfer and FTP Manager Pro. Scan QR code to get Mobile to PC File Transfer from the Google Play Store. Download FTP Manager Pro from deskshare.com.